Hello students, now let us continue with playing with numbers. That is the second part of this lesson. Now first is prime factorization. If a natural number is expressed as the product of prime numbers, then the factorization of the number is called its prime or complete factorization. First method to find prime factors is by factor tree method. Now you can see here we have taken a number 60. Now break this into its factor. We can have 10 into 6 makes 60. Now 10 can be further broken down into its factor. 2 5s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, so prime factorization of 60 is equals to 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. Now prime factorization by division method. Let us take an example. Find the prime factorization of 315. So we find the prime factorization of the given number. So 315, it is exactly divisible by 3. So again we will get 105. Now 105 is again exactly divisible by 3. So we will get here 35. Now this 35 is again divisible by 5. Now 5 sevens are 35. Now we will stop here as 7 is the prime number. Therefore 315 is equals to 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now next topic is highest common factor. Highest common factor of two natural number is the largest common factor or divisor of the given numbers. It is the greatest number from the common factors of the given number. It is also called as the greatest common divisor. Now prime factorization method to find HCF. In this method we write the prime factorization of each of the given number. HCF is the product of all the different common prime factor of the given number using each common prime factor of the least number of times it appears in the prime factorization of all the given numbers. For example, we have to find the HCF of 48 and 84. So first find the HCF, all the prime factors of 48. Now you can see we have got the factors as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we will find the factors of 84, prime factors of 84. Now here we have got 84 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So HCF of 48 and 84 will be 2 into 2 into 3, that is equals to 12. Now division method to find the HCF. The steps involved are: first, find the HCF of any two numbers, then find the HCF of the third number and the HCF obtained above. Now HCF obtained in second step is the required HCF of the given three numbers. Now for example, find the HCF of 36 and 150. Now we will start dividing 150 by 36. We have got remainder as 6. Now we will take this 6. This remainder will become the divisor for the next number, that is 36. Now 6 6 are 36. So HCF of 36 and 150 is 6. Now least common multiple. LCM of two natural number is the smallest natural number which is a multiple of both the numbers. It is the smallest number from the common multiples of given numbers. It is also called as the lowest common multiple. Now prime factorization method to find LCM. Steps involved are: in this method we write the prime factorization of each of the given numbers. LCM is the product of all the different prime factors of the given numbers using each common prime factor the greatest number of time it appears in the prime factorization of any of the given numbers. For example, let us take find the LCM of 28 and 42. So prime factorization of the given number 28 is equals to 2 into 2 into 7. Then 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. Now here you can see 2 occurs maximum 2 times. 3 occurs one time, 7 occurs one time. Therefore, LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That will give us 84. So, 84 is the LCM of 28 and 42. Now, second, division method to find the LCM. The steps involved are: divide the given number by a number which divides exactly at least two of the given numbers. Carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. Keep on repeating this process till no two numbers have a common factor. The product of the divisors and the remaining number is the LCM of the given numbers. Let us take here a question: find the LCM of 20 and 24. So, LCM of 20 and 24, we will keep on dividing the numbers. Now you can see LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 6. That will give us 120. Now, relation between HCF and LCM of two natural numbers. For this, you need to have the formulas with you. Now, first formula is product of HCF and LCM of two natural number is equals to product of the numbers. Second, LCM of two natural number is equals to product of the two natural numbers upon or divided by their HCF. Third, HCF of two natural number is equals to their product upon their LCM. Then product of HCF and LCM of two natural number divided by one number will give us the other number. These are the formulas, four basic formulas that you will remember whenever we are going to solve any word problem based on HCF and LCM. So this concludes the chapter playing with numbers. Thank you.